Gerund. Learning objective. To identify the different functions of gerunds in sentences. Gerund, a type of verbal which is used as a noun and ends with ing. Functions of gerunds. As a subject. Examples. Gardening is a hobby which is beneficial in many ways. Planting vegetables in your backyard is a good thing to consider. Here gardening and planting are highlighted. As a subject, complement. Examples. Something that you always need to remember is watering your plants. Abby's favorite pastime is taking care of her garden. Here watering and taking is highlighted. As a direct object. Examples. Tom enjoys harvesting vegetables in his own garden. My mother loves planting new crops in our garden at home. Here harvesting and planting are highlighted. As an object of preposition. Examples. My father takes time in choosing which plants to grow in our backyard garden. A good outcome of gardening is that you get to help the environment. Here choosing and gardening are highlighted. As an appositive. Examples. Shane's hobby, gardening, makes her free time worthwhile. My goal, putting up my own garden, will soon be achieved. Here gardening and putting are highlighted. Let's practice. Identify the gerund in the sentence and state its function. What makes her happy is seeing her plants grow every day. He spends time on cultivating the soil before he starts to plant. My sister's aim, teaching other people to plant, is little by little coming true. Gardening is a good hobby to explore. They love helping each other take care of their garden. What makes her happy is seeing her plants grow every day. Subject, complement. He spends time on cultivating the soil before he starts to plant. Object of preposition. My sister's aim, teaching other people to plant, is little by little coming true. Appositive. Gardening is a good hobby to explore. Subject. They love helping each other take care of their garden. Direct object. You did a really great job today. See you again tomorrow.